Well, it's not exactly gardening season here in Minnesota right now, but in a couple of months, BaleBuster is going to transform those bales of straw that you see behind me into a glorious straw bale garden. Now, you may not have heard of BaleBuster already. It's a product developed by Joel Karsten, who is the original pioneer of the Straw Bale Gardens method. Joel spent a couple of years researching and testing and perfecting this formula. It's a conditioning agent specifically for straw bale gardeners. It works amazing. You sprinkle it on your bales, you water it in, you wait the right amount of time for the conditioning process to happen, plant your seeds and seedlings, watch your garden grow. All-in-one solution works amazing. We want to help everybody who wants to grow their own vegetables and herbs succeed. Even if all you've got is a condo balcony, you can be a straw bale gardener. We will help make sure you have a fantastic gardening season this year. Visit our website, strawbalegardenshop.com, and we will celebrate with you about all your success growing fresh, healthy fruits and vegetables and herbs in your own straw bale garden.
strawbalegardenshop.com.